this video and I got a little company over there. See if I can zoom in. Look at that baby. Beat it, TDR. I'm trying to eat my breakfast. All right, everybody, I'm out here with the Syma X23W for the last flight. I'm not shooting any video. I'm just going to take it up for a couple of minutes and fart around with it. That deer is still over there. Get back here. Not exactly sure what that button does. I think that was the photo. That's the rate. Anyway, this is going out to Flybar. It flies like a dream. And the video don't even look bad. I'm not shooting any video because I did it when I did the other flight on it. So that was the only time I ever flew it, actually. But it spins around like a champion. So if you want to see the full enchilada of the flight, you can just go back and watch the other video. That's where I did the, the good flight. I just wanted to come out here and spin it around for a minute. So Flybar, you know the deal. Just send an email out to True Drone Reviews 1 where I can ship it. So flies like a champ, man. This thing's real nice. That deer's still over there. Poor baby. I'm interrupting the breakfast, okay? I'm trimming it out. You have to do the trim by holding this down and moving the stick. That's how you do the trim. You hold this one down and you move the stick in the direction you want the trim to go. That's what I was doing there. That's where you was hearing those beeps. This thing flies great in the house too. I mean, this is just a nice little quad to fart around with. You know, this Syma X series, they were all good. X20, 21, 22, 23. The 22 I sent to Donnie. I gave that to him. The 20 and the 21 I'm going to keep, and the 23 here is going out to Flybar. So everybody in the whole family should have one of these Syma X jobs. Every one of them so far has been good. I think put the high rate back on. I think the X20 is still the best. That's, of course, my opinion. We'll just take it around here a little bit. Yeah, I think this thing gets about 7 minutes of flight time, something like that. Look at that deer, it's still over there looking. Okay, gotta watch what I'm doing here. I don't want to crash Flybar's quadcopter, even though I don't think you could really hurt this thing crashing it. It doesn't weigh anything, for one thing. You know, it's light as a feather, so. I'm gonna try to trim out this little, yeah, right there. I trimmed out that last little bit because there's no wind at all out here. Okay, none, zero. I'm just keeping my eye on that deer over there. Well, Flybar, enjoy, brother. What a grab. All right, guys. That's the end of it. That's the last time you'll see me fly this thing. I'm off Monday and Tuesday, Flybar, so I can probably get it out to you relatively quickly. I'll shoot to the post office after I get back from that Layton Bridge I'm going to tomorrow. So just shoot me that email and I'll get it off to you. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. This is like Gobbler Central, okay? Every time I drive by here, I see some gobblers. Look at this baby. Just moseying around in the yard. Unbelievable.